If you want every link you open to launch in Google Chrome automatically, then in this video I'll show you exactly how to make Google Chrome your default browser in just a few simple steps. This is a quick setup, but it can make a big difference if Chrome is the browser you use every day for browsing, work, school, shopping, or watching videos. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You want to make sure the Chrome browser is already installed and fully open before you continue. Once Chrome is on your screen, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three vertical dots, which is the main menu for Chrome. Click those three dots to open the menu. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page, where you can adjust all kinds of browser preferences. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the option that says Default Browser. Click on that option to open the default browser settings. Inside this section, you should see a button that says Make Default. Click that button and Chrome will start the process of becoming your default browser. Depending on your computer, you may be sent into your system settings or browser preferences next. If that happens, just follow the prompt to choose Google Chrome as your default browser. If you see a list of web browsers, go to the browser section, click it, and then select Google Chrome. This tells your device to open web links in Chrome instead of any other browser. Once that is selected, your default browser settings should be updated. And that's it. You've now made Google Chrome your default browser, so whenever you click a link from an email, document, or app, it should open in Chrome automatically. It's a small change, but it can make browsing a lot more convenient and consistent. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.